Hi guys, this is Pawan Kumar. Today I want to say about strength of materials which is related to the diploma second year mechanical students. Today I am saying the third chapter. The chapter name is thin cylindrical cells. Today I am saying one essay related to this chapter. This is very important. Without this I think there is no question paper. So please listen carefully what I am saying. In this there are five formulas. With these five formulas you can do each and every sum which is related to this lessons thin cylindrical cells. The first formula is hoop stress. It is denoted by stress C. This is the symbol of stress. This is the symbol of stress. దీన్ని స్ట్రెస్ అని పిలుస్తాం. హూప్ స్ట్రెస్ సితో డినోట్ చేస్తాం. స్ట్రెస్ సి ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై స్ట్రెస్ సి. ది ఫార్ములా ఫర్ హూప్ స్ట్రెస్ ఈ స్ట్రెస్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పీడీ బై 2t Newton per meter square. This is the units to the hoop stress Newton per meter square. This is the units for this hoop stress. Now comes to the longitudinal stress. It is denoted by stress L. Here there is L means so stress L. Here hoop stress C means when he gives stress C, then we have to write the formula for hoop stress. Here L means longitudinal stress. By this you can learn easily. Stress L is longitudinal stress. The formula for a stress L is equals to PD by 4T. Here 2T, here 4T. This is the difference between these two formulas. Don't confuse. Stress L means we have 4T. This is long, పెద్దది. లాంగ్ అంటే ఇది పొడవు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి పెద్ద అన్నది వస్తుంది. సో 4 అని అలా గుర్తుంచుకుంటే బెటర్. స్ట్రెస్ ఎల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పీడీ బై 40. లాంగిట్యూడినల్ లాంగ్ మీన్స్ ఎన్లార్జ్. దట్ మీన్స్ హై లెంత్. సో we have to substitute that PD by 40. It is denoted by stress L. It is denoted by stress C. The symbol is named as stress. These two formulas are very important. By these two formulas we have one sort will come by these two formulas, PD by 2t and PD by 40. Longitudinal stress వచ్చేసరికి PD by 40 వస్తుంది. Hoop stress వచ్చేసరికి PD by 2t. Now comes to the formula for change in dimensions. Change in dimensions means diameter, length, volume, breadth. వాటిని డైమెన్షన్స్ అంటాం. చేంజ్ ఇన్ డైమెన్షన్స్కి ఫార్ములా ఇది. చేంజ్ ఇన్ డైమెన్షన్ అనేవి దీంతో డినోట్ చేస్తారు. ఈసీ, ఈఎల్, ఈవి. ఈసీ మీన్స్ డెల్టా డి బై డెల్టా డి, వేర్ ఈసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు చేంజ్ ఇన్ డయామీటర్. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు చేంజ్ ఇన్ డయామీటర్. ఈసీ మీన్స్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ డయామీటర్. సో డెల్టా డి బై D. Delta D means change in diameter. When comes to D means diameter. ఈ చేంజ్ ఇన్ డయామీటర్ బిఫోర్ చేంజింగ్ ది డయామీటర్. డయామీటర్ చేంజ్ అవ్వకముందు వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ వేస్తాం, చేంజ్ అయిన వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ వేస్తాం. దానికి ఫార్ములా ఉంది అగైన్. పీడీ బై 2TE ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ 1 బై 2YM. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ఈసీ. ఈసీ మీన్స్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ డయామీటర్. డెల్టా డి బై డి. నౌ కమ్స్ టు ది ఈఎల్. ఈఎల్ మీన్స్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ లెంత్. డెల్టా ఎల్ బై ఎల్. For that formula PD by 2TE into 1 by 2 minus 1 by M. There is no difference between these two formulas. Here 1 by 2M. When comes to here 1 by 2 minus 1 by M. This 2 comes to 1 by. అంతేనండి, ఇక్కడ ఏ డిఫరెన్సెస్ లేదండి. రెండు సేమ్ ఈక్వల్. PD by 2TE, PD by 2TE. But here small difference is there. 1 minus 1 by 2M. When comes to here 1 by 2 minus 1 by M. That is for change in length formula. Now comes to the EV. EV means change in volume. The formula for change in volume is delta V by V. Delta V means change in volume. V means original volume. V means volume and V means volume. For that formula we have 2EC plus 2EL. Or EC, EL ఇచ్చేసి EV ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటే 2తో ఈసీని ఇంటూ చేసి EL దానికి యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి EV అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఈ 2EC plus EL. For that PD by 2TE into 5 by 2 minus 2 by M. This formula comes by these two formulas. 2EC means 2 into this formula and plus EL. EL means this formula. We have simplified that. We get that PD by 2TE into 5 by 2 minus 2 by M. This is the formula for change in volume. Change in volume. The formula for change in volume is 2EC plus EL. This is the formula for change in volume. These are the three formulas which is comes in essay. These two formulas and these five formulas are very important from this chapter. By this 5 formulas we can do each and every type of sum which is related to this lessons in cylindrical cells. Now comes to the P. Here P means pressure. ప్రెజర్ ఇప్పుడు కూడా మనం న్యూటన్ పర్ ఎంఎం స్క్వేర్లో ఉండాలి. వాడి న్యూటన్ పర్ మీటర్ స్క్వేర్లో వేస్తే ఎంఎం స్క్వేర్లో అనేది మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 1 మీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1000 mm. సో ఇంటూ 10 క్యూబ్ అనేది డివైడెడ్ బై 10 క్యూబ్ అనేది చేయాలి మీటర్స్లో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. వన్ కమ్స్ టు డి, హియర్ డి మీన్స్ డయామీటర్ ఇన్ ఎంఎం, అది కూడా ఎంఎంస్లోనే ఉండాలి. మీటర్స్లో ఇస్తే ఎంఎంలో చేంజ్ చేసి మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ అనేది చేయాలి ఫార్ములాలో. టీ మీన్స్ థిక్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. థిక్నెస్ అండి, థిక్నెస్ కూడా మనకి ఎంఎంలోనే ఉండాలి. కమ్స్ టు ది 1/m, హియర్ 1/m మీన్స్, హియర్ 1/2m మీన్స్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ దట్ ఈస్ 1/2 into 1/m is equals to 1 into 1 1, 2 into m 2m, 1/2m. 1/2mని 1/2 into 1/m అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 1/m means poisonous ratio. He will give the value of 1/m. This is the constant value Poisson's ratio. Now comes to the EC. EC means change in diameter. EL means change in length. EV means change in volume. With delta D is equals to change in diameter, delta L means change in length, delta V means change in volume. These are the 5 formulas which is very very important in this chapter. By these 5 formulas you can do each and every type of essay and sort. Now comes to the, I will say by these 5 formulas I have to explain a question. Please listen carefully and understand what he given, how I am substituted the values in formulas. So please listen carefully. Now comes to the question. Today I want to explain this question. A cylindrical cell 2.5 meter long which is closed at the ends has a diameter of 0.9 meters and a wall thickness of 10 mm. Calculate the stress C and stress L induced and also change in dimensions of the cell if it is subjected to an internal pressure of 1 Newton per mm square. Take E is equals to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square and 1/m is equals to 0.3. First of all, you have to understand the question what he gave and what we have to find out. He given that long means L is equals to 2.5 meters which is closed at ends has a diameter. He gave also diameter means D is equals to 0.9 meters and wall thickness, he gave thickness T is equals to 10 mm. Calculate the stress C means I am told that hoop stress is denoted by stress C and stress L means longitudinal stress. Here he gave that we have to find out that stress C and stress L. Stress C means hoop stress and stress L means longitudinal stress. And also change in dimensions, as well as change in dimensions కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ చేంజ్ ఇన్ డైమెన్షన్స్ మీన్స్ వాడు చేంజ్ ఇన్ డైమెన్షన్స్ అని అడగగానే మనం 3 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఈసీ, ఈఎల్, ఈవి వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దట్ 3. వెన్ హీ ఆస్క్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ డైమెన్షన్స్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు మనం ఆ 3 అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ సబ్జెక్టెడ్ టు అన్ ఇంటర్నల్ ప్రెజర్ దట్ మీన్స్ పీ. హీ గావ్ దట్ పీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 Newton per mm square. He gave that value of E. Take E is equals to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. This is also constant value and 1/m means Poisson's ratio. He gave that 0.3. Now write for each and every sum given. What he given we have to write. Given L is equals to 2.5 meters and diameter D is equals to 0.9 meters and thickness T is equals to 10 mm. P is equals to 1 Newton per mm square. E is equals to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. 1/m is equals to 0.3. This is the given data what he had given. So I have to convert the units. This is in meters. మనకు ఇప్పుడు కూడా లెంత్ అనేది ఎంఎంలో ఉండాలి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ దట్ మీటర్స్ ఇంటూ ఎంఎం. For mm 2.5 into 10 cube we have to do 2.5 into 10 cube. Why? Because 1 meter is equals to 1000 mm. So we have to doing that 2.5 into 10 cube is equals to 2.5 into 10 cube mm. This is also మనకు D కూడా మనకి ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఎంఎంలో ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ మీటర్స్లో ఇచ్చారు. సో హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ దట్ 0.9 into 10 cube mm. Here there is mm, Newton per mm square, there is no problem. How don't convert this. Why? Because this is in mm, this is in Newton per mm square, this is also in Newton per mm square. Now comes to the formula. We have to find out that stress C. For stress C is equals to, we know that the formula PD by 2T is equals to, we know that P is equals to 1 Newton per mm square, 1 into D means 0.9 into 10 cube, 0.9 into 10 cube. by here between a variable and constant we have an into 2 into here t means 10 t means 10, so I am substituted that t is equals to 10. By finding the value, this value in Casio we get that 45 Newton per square. Now comes to the formula stress L, longitudinal stress. We know that the formula stress L is equals to PD by 4T. P is equals to 1 into D means 0.9 into 10 cube by 4T. 4 into T means 10. By calculating this value in Casio, we get that 22.5. 22.5. Now comes to the change in dimensions. Change in dimensions means we have that EC, EL, EV. We know that the formula for EC. EC is equals to delta D by D. For that we have that formula PD by 2TE into 1 minus 1 by 2M. I am said that 1 by 2M means 1 by 2 into 1 by M. So EC is equals to delta D by D is equals to P means we know that 1, D means 0.9 into 10 cube, 2 means 2, T means 10 into 10, E means 2 into 10 cube, 1 means 1 minus we know that 1 by 2 M means 1 by 2 into 1 by M. So how to substitute that 1 by M place 1 by M, 1 by 2 into, we know that the value of 1 by M, so 0.3. Here we know that D, the value of D is 0.9 into 10 cube, so delta D by 0.9 into 10 cube is equals to, when we calculate this value in Casio, we get that 1.91 into 10 power minus 4. We are getting this value. For finding delta D, we have to transpose this 0.9 into 10 cube to RHS. Here it is dividing. When goes to the RHS, it multiplies. So 1.91 into 10 power minus 4 into 0.9 into 10 cube. We get that value delta D is equals to 0.172. This is the value for delta D. So now how to find out that EL. EL means we know that delta L by L is equals to, you have that formula PD by 2TE into 1 by 2 minus 1 by M. We have to substitute this all. P means here we know that 1 into 900 by 2 into T means 10 into E means 2 into 10 power 5. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by M means 0.3. This is the constant value he had also given, delta L by delta L. Here we know that L length is equals to 2.5 into 10 cube. 2.5 into 10 cube is equals to, when we calculate this value in Casio, we have that 4.5 into 10 power minus 5. For delta L, we have to transpose this 2.5 into 10 cube to RHS. 4.5 into 10 power minus 5 into 2.5 into 10 cube. We have that delta L is equals to, when we calculate this in Casio, we get that 0.1125 mm. This is the value of delta L. Now comes to the EV. EV means delta V by V. This is equals to have that formula PD by 2TE into 5 by 2 minus 2 by M. This is the formula for EV is equals to, for V we don't have V, the value of V. We know that the formula for volume. The formula for volume is equals to area into length. Area into length. So I am substituted that V is equals to AL, area into length. So I am substituted that in the place of V, AL. So I am substituted AL is equals to P means we know that 1 into D means 900 by 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 power 5. 5 by 2 means 5 by 2. When comes to minus 2 into 0.3. we have to calculate this value in case we're getting that 4.275 into 10 power minus 4. We are getting this value. Area means pi by 4 d square. We have that formula, area A is equals to pi by 4 d square, where d means 0.9 into 10 cube 900. So 900 square into L means we know that the value of L 2500 is equals to this one. We want delta V, change in volume. So I have to transpose this to RHS. 4.275 into 10 power minus 4. 4 here, this is presented in denominator. When it comes to the RHS, it reciprocals 4 pi ki pi anadi kindaki vastundi into 4 by pi into 900 square into 2500. When we have to calculate this value in Casio, getting that delta V is equals to 6.799 into 10 power 5. Getting that 3 values change in dimensions. This is first value, second value, third value. These are the 3 values change in dimension values. We are getting that. I think you don't have any doubts from this chapter. If you have any doubt, please comment below this video and subscribe my channel. And by subscribing my channel, increase my thinking to do more videos for you. Please subscribe my channel. Don't worry about this chapter. This chapter is very easy. We have to learn these 5 formulas. By these 5 formulas, we can do each and every sum related to this lesson. In this lesson, there are 5 formulas. These are the 5 formulas are very important. By these 5 formulas, you can do each and every sum related to this lesson. So please concentrate on this chapter. By this chapter, you can get 13 marks easily. So please concentrate on this. Please subscribe my channel. If anybody without subscribing my channel, please subscribe my channel now and get more videos which is useful for you. Thank you guys.